Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to find and copy link to post on TikTok. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here to open my TikTok app. Then having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the bottom right here to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply select the particular post that you want to copy the link. So I'm going to use this particular post right here. Then having opened up the post, the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on copy link right here. Link copied. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find and copy link to a TikTok post. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.